Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to increase the max volume limit on your iPhone with the latest update. First of all, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18.3 or later. To check, go to the settings of your phone, then tap the general option from there. Then tap the software update option from there and update if needed. Once updated, open the settings and go to the sound and haptics option. From there, scroll down until you find the built-in speaker volume limit. You can see from there and tap it and make sure you turn it on. You can see a slider that 20% to 90%. By default, the limit is set to 60. To increase it, simply slide it all the way to up 90 or 20. This will maximize your iPhone speaker volume, and that's it. Now your iPhone is set to its loudest possible volume. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.